Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Raw. Let's go ahead and get started today. We are going to review how to create ledger shading. So this is very easy to do actually, and applies to doing accounting or finance or really IT raw data sets. It's just an easy way to if you're way out somewhere looking at a spreadsheet and there's tons of numbers like this economic data, it really helps you associate a value with something that you're trying to look over to the left with, and so it's just a quick and easy way to visually enhance a report or a set of data. So let's go ahead and get started. Going to make sure we include the descriptions as far as getting the shading. So let's go ahead and highlight our data, Control Shift right, Control Shift left, and we go to the top at the home button and go to conditional formatting and manage rules, or we could do a new rule. Make sure that current selection is selected here at the top, and then we'll go to new rule because we want to apply to the current selection, not the entire worksheet or specific sheet. So we'll go to new rule. Here we will go to the bottom and click use a formula to determine which cells to format. So hit equals, and then we'll do the mod function, and then row, and then comma 2. We want to, let's do a light blue color. Click apply, and then click OK. So you can see this is just visually more appealing. Just helps you when you're looking at data to associate it with something across rows or columns. So let's look at another option. Let's clear this, and let's do the columns. We can do the columns as well, and we'll go to manage rules, new rule, and it's the same formula, equals mod, except we will do column, open parentheses, close parentheses, comma 2, and then we will do the same format color. It's light blue. So we can see that the odd columns are getting this conditional formatting. So this is column 3, column 5, column 7, etc. So let's clear that, and let's reapply the row formatting. And we will let's break this down to actually see what this formula is doing outside of the conditional formatting. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. We'll do the same color again and apply it in OK. So if let's insert this row here. So if we paste the formula here and then drag it down, we can see for each row that's highlighted, the formula is returning a 1, which in Excel that's true. So conditional formatting evaluates true as applying whatever kind of formatting you're wanting. In this case, it's this light blue color. Alternatively, we could make this even. So by adding +1 here, and then I do Control Shift down arrow, and then I do Control D, and that drags the formula down. So what we're doing here is we're adding 1, so we know this is row number 9 here. So we can highlight this and hit F9. And then so we're doing +1, that would equal 10. So we know that 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 2 goes into 10 5 times. So there's no remainder. So the mod function, as we can see here, returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. So I'll hit escape. So here We can highlight this entire argument by clicking down below. And this is a quick and easy way for me to evaluate formulas. So I'll click this part of the syntax and then I hit F9. So we know that 2 will go into 11 5 times with a remainder of 1. And that's what the mod function returns. So we can see that if we were to use this +1 for even, it would highlight evenly. So we can apply the formatting with this formula to highlight even rows, as so. Copied and pasted it into that. Click apply and OK. So again, we see that that is how the shading is working. So I hope you appreciate this formula and look at a quick take at this option. It's very useful and it's not too bad to do. Thank you so much. Hope you like and subscribe and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.